Hey students, today's topic is Principle of Community Health Nursing. Principles considering the standardized sentence which is given by the community health authorized persons to the all the community health nursing peoples in overall the countries, which is considered as a principles which is same and common to the all the community health nurses. The first one is a community health nursing is a community focus. It therefore essential to know the defined community. That is consideration. The community health nurse has to know the definitions of the community health nursing. What is the meaning of the community health nursing and definitions of the whole the community. It means consideration whole the community where she is going to be doing the work. The next one is a make a map of the geographical area. Consideration she has to know the map of the particular geographic area where she is going to be work. That is considered as a panchayat, river, considerations which is available in that particular geographical area. Consideration health sectors also considering panchayat, Anganwadi and Bal Mandir consideration also river tanks also. So consideration map of the geography area she has to know for getting the people's exact idea and the housing matters. The third one is a essential effective working relationships very common because essential effective working conditions is if she will going to develop it considerations they can easily build up the IRP interpersonal relationship. So considerations she can easily develop the relationships and maintains the regular care also. The fourth one is community health nurses based on the identify the health nursing needs functions within the total community healthcare system. That is consideration. She has to give the care to the large people. Considering the group of the people, not to focus on the individual, but she has to focus on the individuals, family, group of the people, and the whole the community. Considering the large group members. The next one is a health education guidance and supervision as the integral parts of the community health nursing services at the large scales, where she has to educate the more people, guide to the more people, and supervise the all the activity which is going on the community health nursings and which is based on the care. So she has to evaluate not only the family, but she has to evaluate all over the community also. The next one is a health services should be realistic in terms of the available services where she has to give the realistic services. She don't perform a drama, but it is available in her country, which is fund and which is the care she has to provide the in realistic manner and realistic form. The next one, community health nurse is responsible to the authorized health authority and functions within the policies, general goal and objectives set by the health agency. Where health agency is considered as the primary, secondary, and tertiary level of the care based and centers, where she has to manage the all the policies and all the goals which is given by the health authorized persons or the health agencies persons, and she is responsible to manage that authority in her functions. Next one, effective health worker inserts the profession irrespective of the positions of the work and the functions as team and the collaboration. She has to maintain the collaboration team. Uh, at the time of the committee people, she has to maintain the each individual's care, family care, group of the people care. Be there also in the time of the health centers, she has to maintain the collaboration team with the other staff also, doctors, MO, to the team members like considering of the laboratory persons, pharmacists, sweepers, and security guards also, etc. She has to maintain all the collaboration teams and work without any personal relations, but only maintain the professional relations with all the these members. The next one is a whole community is a focus and the individual which is unique for the all health sectors. As I told you, she has to manage not only individual care, but she has to manage and focus to the large of the people where only not only the individuals but whole community she has to be focused. Professional innocence equities are essential in community health where she has to maintain only the professional innocence she don't has to give the any personal data to the anybody. It's not about their personal relationships, not about the person's problem. Only maintain the professionalisms while working with the community people. The next one, educate the individual, family, and community about the preventing promoting care. Where she has to be educated, good educator, to not only the individual but the whole family for prevention of the diseases, prevention of the illness, and how they can promote their care also, healthcare, and promote their health also. But as a nutrition, as an example, as a nutrition basis, as a sanitation basis, vaccinations basis, antenatal, postnatal, and internatal basis, and the routine checkup also. This consideration she has to not only focus on the preventive but also on the promotive care, also on preventions of the illness also. The next one, must provide continuous healthcare services. She has to provide the continuous healthcare services. It is not a only one day activity. See, this is about day-to-day activity, long-term process. She has to maintain the continuous contact IPR and continuous health services. Also, they have to provide continuous in care. Next one, well-developed system of the records and report is essential for community health nursing, where she has to maintain the all the records considerations of the registrations report, drug reports, administration's record, then activities records, which is in the following in the services. All the records, evaluations records also she has to maintain for maintaining of the achievements and the problems which is going on the her services. So this is considered as a record and report essential part of the community health services. The next one, periodic and continuous appraisals and evaluations of health situations is must. So after the giving the care, she has to maintain the evaluations for taking of the approvals whether she has achieved the goal or not, and whether she has to promote any other planning or goals. So consideration she has to evaluate herself for maintaining of the achievements and the appraisals. The next one, health services should be available and accessible to all without the discriminations. Without the discrimination considerations, it is available for health for all. Without discrimination consideration, no, she has to should not look for the race, caste, age, sex, any socio-economical status, housing area, any sanitation area, environmental area. She has to not judge, but she has to give the care without any discriminations of this listed up. Next one, health workers should be non-political, non-sexual in her relationships, where she has to be not a member of the politics. She is not a secretary in her or his or family relationships. So it is considered as she has to be realistic in her professionalism and dignity. Next one, health worker must maintain professional dignity and must have accept not and never accepts any gifts of rights. But considerations she also maintain the care. She don't accept the any money, any gift, any bribes from the any healthcare personals or any patients. So that is considered she has to maintain only professionalism where she has to deliver the care and she has to deliver. The next one must have active participation in taking care of the community people. Yes, he has to know all the community people, where the panchayats, when panchayat members, healthcare leaders members. So after any problems or after changing any professionalism, she can easily contact with that active participations with that particular community peoples, which develops her and the community's people's mind setups, community educations, community health problems. She also can able to relieve by contact with the active participants to the community people. So this is about this principles where she has to follow all the principles by working with the community health nurse. Thank you everyone.